On every level, be defending it. You want the knowledge, we will lend you it. If you believe in our medicine.
Yep, you already know what it is, man. Each and every Thursday right here, 8 to 10, man. Shout out to each and everybody locked in. We call this the Triple Threat. If you locked in on Instagram and YouTube, all social medias, man, definitely appreciate, you know what I mean? D-Nice, big up your goddamn self. Shell off the first hour. So it's okay, it's all right. Let me start it like this. Vice of the one, Bugle.
Now hear me out, now hear me out. Hey.
Sound remedy. Mark.
Now hear me out, now hear me out.
Bang, bang, bang,
So,
bang, bang.
That one there, body. Pull up. That one there.
Shout out to on-site artists, man. We're going to take a break this week. Got a bunch of challenge.
some a lose them way, so we reroute them. Now turn my back on the real youth. Them all who genuine, we recruit them. And all who are chat, we mute them. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them high red.
Bang, 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 bang.
Get up, some of them. Them say keep your friends closer and your enemies closer. Why we say that? Why?
Some a lose them ways.
Why?
Reroute them, now turn my back on the real youth. Them all who genuine, we recruit them. And all who are chat, we mute them. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them high red. Yeah. Them a follow me a lead, them a pre and a grudge me for my mates. Them a set trap for me fall in a that, but I'm an anointed. So all who are wait for me fall down face, them a got disappointed. Yeah, I don't answer when they then call. I just rise, watch them fall. Who feels it, know who knows it. Feel my tears, them done, so me watch them ball. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them high red. Yeah, them a follow me a lead, them a pre and a grudge me for my mates. Them a set trap for me fall in a that, but I'm an anointed. So all who are wait for me fall down face, them a got disappointed. Life are the most important with it, my boss. I'm on pass every obstacle course. None of them no holy, but them a ghost. Them don't write genuine, all of them fools. That's the sake we care about friends, we no worry about friends. Line a lead, line one, contact lens. That's why I keep my enemies close. Now make them plan my life.
What trick?
Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink.
Got each and everybody celebrating a birthday, you know what it is, man. Looking for a place to party. Goes down, oh la la, we call it Bar 391 each and every last Friday. I want any control, that Triple Vibes Zone, what I'm talking about.
So all who are wait for me fall down face, them a got disappointed. Them no smoke, them no sick, pink eye, but them high red. Them a follow, them a pre and a grudge.
Rock solid in the building, it's only right.
Yeah! Well, I just like smoke to the eyes and really got to the teeth, so all the slug box to them that send them. Some of them have left from Boya and them come to free go down black people pick them. But I join all the business.
Shout out to the Royal Rebels in the building, man. It's looking a real good series for me on the NBA front.
Just make them secure, run no time to pretend.
Yes. That one name me, yes. Check the YouTube page right now. We're checking it live, you know what I mean? Goes by the name of DJ Shop Black, you know the voice, you know the vibes already. Undertaker from the man like Junior Small, take the goddamn self. Second week in August, check for the one, and low.
Tell them refrain
Bang,
from the
bang,
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 Life is for all, yeah, the friend feeling. Some don't really want to see the world as it is. So them get caught with all the things where them a build foundation for set. We got to do it pick up a kind of X. There ain't no easy way about this. Some sidestep, some come for trick. Them wrong concept or devil, them a worship. Make the children secure. And no time to pretend. I and I create these problems. And if your heart is yours, this war would have end. With the sake of the children, make the children secure. And no time to pretend. This I and I cause no problems. And if your heart is really yours, war would have end.
Why is the button them from early?
You think we don't know them? All them not like me. See them all hype up, but that
Each and every Thursday, baby, right here. It's called a hot spot. We call it that Triple Vibes. That Triple Trap.
Spite me, but you me don't know the them not like me. So me that's a laugh again in a me like me.
Shout out to the boy Rock Solid in the building. DJ Gravity, you know what it is. Rock Solid Thursdays, baby.
Sit up now, watch the face, cause we don't try it.
Tell them those, them up back at them.
Them don't know how we run the place, car machine, pan the base, a man not done, me and here for from we are 20. Tell them to stop watch me close and stop watch me Kyle. Stop watch me pose and me Rasta man style. Stop watch me know.
One thing but me and my friend there, let me tell you from early.
But see all about him and no one them around me. While see me dead, so them can get from only. But him and start from a state of his own. Well, boy, like a me no but him and now go crown me. Me down the press and trade them the switch on me. Chance on me visa, but that's still no crown me. Well, enough time if I see one them try to show me. Enough time me love it and me well want to show me. Enough time me friend them have to beg and have to hold me. Well, hear them man, look like a boy want to show you. Wish for you all here, I call up my name. The fool them man, don't know who them a problem. So let me not say that plain. Pussy all about him and no one them around me. While see me death, so them can go free moan me. But him man start from a state of his stone me. Well, I cannot try hard like him well want to show me. Them a send you like them want out to town me.
DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla.
Them not like we not like them. They nice royal rebels. Tell them.
If I pass it all not like it. Your mama, I know Mr. Body, bad man no afraid of. We telling them Mr. Man figure support him gal. Cause bad man no itch figure blow up head truck. If I pass it all not like it. Your mama, I know Mr. Body, bad man no afraid of. We telling them Mr. Man figure support your gal. Cause bad man no itch figure blow up head. You win on your man on yard, we no beg favor. We no sponge pan a guy figure cook.
I swear, bad people around here.
One ganja.
Who me say Ebony walking.
Badness, bingy man go hold him and burn him up. Badness, long time I tell him to keep it up. Badness, still him really never want to leave it up. That's why you fire go burn him up and you want them. Badness, bingy man go hold him and burn him up. Badness, pass him so that make you chop him up. Badness, long time I tell him to keep it up. I say him never want you, but you want you. Say them a bad man, but them a bad man too. Say them a wicked man, but them a wicked man too. Say them a
now what the name simple. 1, 2, 3, it's simple.
My father on the wall of them.
Sound remedy.
This how you feel, Shabla. This how you feel. Triple Threat Thursday. You don't know what it is. DJ Shabla. D9. Let's give it.
Bang, 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 bang. DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla.
Well, I know we have a ball forward, boy. You want me now go move backward, boy. You want me now go get upward, boy. Boy. So don't we stop at you and you shut up, boy. Be a person and me a cock up, boy. No one them head must be knock up, boy. So the man and the man are up.
About him and alone, no one know God. Missy said them a fag them a fag. Well, bleach out and full of tattoo like John. Hey, see that? He make him friend them press him like button. See that? No rubbish shot and chop him like button. See that? Make him go.
They nice, you know, tell them we bad from long time.
I know, will be some people me send a hell. Them never kill nobody yet and lie them a tell. Gunshot in a your brain cell. Police pick up the AK shell. When you see cartel, no fuck around and no pussy me a sell. Me nah send you go no doctor fi get well. Gunshot in a your brain cell. Police pick up the AK shell. Me nah know me blood clot bad. Me no must know God. I say I'm a father. Why are you come and tell man your name? Go the God go suck your mother. Well that fuck. Well that fuck, you a call man fuck when we fuck your mother. Well that fuck, well that fuck, tell me God says
bang, 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 bang.
That sound effect is scary, but I gotta realize.
No resting. Full clip gonna stick when me run now. Me G-star me use and cut the fucking tongue out. Come on, with your girl what we don't know. Business a run now, rise the gun now. I chew the boy, them go flip some me. Pop off, attack them with the 12 gauge the mouth. Chop off, them head drop off with the pop off with the back.
No boy can come around Triple Vibes and bad up this, you mad.
Bow. Man, we no follow the trod. But you want let them make the dudes them glad, yo. No, 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 no way. Bad man no so pussy. No, 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 no way. Bad man no fuck body. No, 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 no way. Man no so pussy. No, no, no way. No way at all. Don't cock it up for the girl them enough. What say? Cock it up for the girl them enough. What say? Cock it up for the girl them enough.
You see a real button boy, I said I trying to tell them.
Anyway,
Triple Vibes, 8 to 10 each and every Thursday, baby.
Anyway, tell them they're the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk, man, have time for chat, boy.
Some boy don't know about badness, we know about one pop. Back in the day at Trinidad, let me tell you about real badness.
That one there, buddy. Pull up that one there.
Yo, let me tell you this. They're not a soul, tough up like them are cool, but I beat them.
Bang, 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 bang.
Not care who much anymore. They're not a soul. On the road, now, wash over goal. You're not nobody, and you want to defeat Addy. No, me not Benz out a garage. Then a big man give them in a barrage. You diss me, you like phone when you charge. Cause you shake got my finger massage. Me talks them small, but it's extra large. Me no know where them get them.
Sound remedy. DJ Shabla.
Yeah, man. Each and every Thursday, man, like I've been saying it from the time I came on this 8 to 10 right here. We call it the Triple Threat. We call it that Triple Vibes Radio, man, where we bring it to you the hottest artists, unsung artists, dopest music from New York City to the Caribbean, you know what I mean? Shout out to my unsung artists, man. I definitely apologize tonight. We're going to take a break from that. I'm definitely collecting some new music. We got some things in the works. We got some things in the way, so I definitely want to take my time and build that up and make sure I present that right to the people, you know what I mean? If you guys are rocking out with me right now on the YouTube, I salute you. I say thank you. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Follow TriplevibesRadio. Follow myself, DJ Star Black. My brother in crime, DJ D Nice. Son Sinatra, the whole team, you know what I mean? So we're just going to slow it down a little bit, but we're going to keep up with the vibe same way, you know what I mean? This one called Psalms a Day. So shout out to each and everybody right now who knows say Psalms a Day keep the pagans away. Bad mind we don't why them at all. So bond them.
Some cry, some smile, some we rise to the top, cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive. Yes, still.
Let's take it easy upon the stage. We don't talk about
unchangeable.
Nothing but vibes, nothing but vibes.
Unchangeable.
Lord God.
Matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Me I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a cuff, no, no. Life it's a journey, it's a long race. Mama says son be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they
shout out to everybody knows so real to the thing.
To me people that me embrace. The truth are the truth and that can't erase. So help
right, so the one Dre all alongside the Pop Skull.
If we finish this,
how you gonna man?
So we ain't giving up now. We put up a fight, we got to be ready.
Yes. Listen, me love that song in real life, D-Nice, you know why? True, so we try hard, we have shot and go through some bad man pussy when I try to fight you, try to hold we down. But you know, say that something not going to work, you know why? We say our Psalms a day. We say our Psalms a day, keep the pagans away. All who know, say believe in the Almighty Father right now. We know, say believe in our progress. Pop it on the truth.
Let's not be flow when the prayer burn up. Not a evil can harm us. Them things we don't when we just a warm up. Yeah, nothing on mine up. So me tell the youth hold on, tell mama be strong.
Shout out D-Nice, he's been asking for the lighter for a long time. You just look on D-Nice and say, D-Nice, you know me feel, let me tell you.
Long time them a try bring me down.
Hold on,
I know just now, from a very young. Chat me every day with them funny tongue. Them a watch me on the telly now.
Oh, yo.
Yeah, giving up now. We put up a fight, we got to be ready.
One thing we learn in our life is just take time, take time, take time.
Jimmy, that's how I'm come from. God knows.
When we take time and they say, don't forget where you come from in our life. Some boy I don't know. Fight back good shit, but always remember.
Jimmy,
Bang, 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 bang.
This is the place I'm grown. The moment I open my eyes, the people I know. I know for them they really want to see I make it in a life, for that me know. I know for them tired, pull me down, and I feel let me go. Them penalize me for the picture, them perpetuating, and tell me from the ghetto, I'm for separating. But music and me joy, I hit me celebrated. Me never born with ghost spoon, I hit me elevated. So why you want to keep the youths uneducated? Just see you in the prison, them incarcerated. Every ghetto have a star, if you overrated. When they can dig them, say you gang related. But Jaja knows my heart stays in the ghetto. Even though you know that I'm so far. I know for them they really want to see you make it in the life, for that me know.
We say in our life, you have to take time. 16, you know the program go already. Some boy I just moved too fast.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more.
Pull up that one day.
Real juggling up on a Thursday.
You're still taking what's not yours. Greedy though you got more. Switching on me now, snitching on me now, picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then? I'm not sure.
All nice and decent people. Size and nothing for record this. Easy. Come down my sound. Dog one sound. Zombie Anton Jades. Easy. Me say me born in a Jamaica 1981. Mother was a teacher, father was a soldier man. Mother grow me good, a good strong black woman. Father grow me good, you know me know the right from wrong. I made that broke school, me get me education. And when me born the earth, me hold me meditation. Tell the ghetto youth, them say fi stay strong. Nobody watch the trial and the tribulation. Nobody take no pressure from the situation. Nobody do no wrong, them lock you up a station. No one reaching out yet to every nation.
Oh, the bad song goes 16.
Zungo, 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 say if you have a paper, you must have a pen. And if you have a start, you must have a end. Say 5 plus 5, it equal to 10. And if you have both, you put them in a pen. And if you have a rooster, you must have a hen. Now, zungo, zungo, go zungo, zen. Zungo, zungo, go zungo, zen. Jump for happiness and jump for joy. You know fi call yellow man no boy. Lady and they used to take fit tire. Brave the Lord him call him child. You know fi call yellow man no boy. You know fi call John no boy. You know fi
That one there, body. Pull up that one there.
Come follow me now. Mix this. Boy, I'm on a rush them like a pit bull. Mix with a ratty, tap them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty.
That one there, body. Pull up that one there.
Hey, follow me. Come follow me now.
It's one of my favorites.
Boy,
one of them rush them like a pit bull.
Mix with a ratty, tap them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty, and over them.
August 2nd, baby, Undertaker family.
Even time mix with the motor massive.
Mix up with the original. What we never do. Don't mix the marijuana plant with the puppy.
Well, you now.
Get mad.
Hello.
Back in the day, they used to call it the woolly.
Come follow me now.
Some boy is woolly. They're crazy.
Boy, I'm on a rush them like a pit bull.
mix with a rattle. Tap them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty, and over them, love the watchy, chatty, like a peeping Tom. Mix with the mouth of massy, try to mix up the original with carbon copy. Go mix the marijuana plant with the poppy. And no rent a dread, no fear mix up with no natty. No passion dread, nothing come and talk about Selassie. Me love me girl, them caramel
and little
coffee. Freaky when she ready.
What type of girl they nice?
The classy. Talking about a slim girl.
Mix with a fatty.
Me a talk about small waist.
Big body.
What she says she love.
Some place.
And the saltfish.
Mix with aki.
Talking about the jerk chicken.
Not the teriyaki. Pick up the girl I know say can cook. When I talk about jerk chicken every day, the girl I know say can really cook.
Trying to mix up the original.
When I want to talk about whole heap of food.
Well, hear me now.
When I want to eat jerk chicken 7 days a week.
Hey, follow me. Hey, follow me. Come follow me now.
All less Wednesday through Sunday, yes. Jerk chicken bun up.
Nah.
I tell you.
Boy, I'm on a rush them like a pit bull. Mix with a ratty. Tap them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty. And over them, love the watchy, chatty, like a peeping Tom. Mix with the mouth of massy. Try to mix up the original with carbon copy. Don't mix the marijuana plant with the poppy. And no rent a dread, no fear mix up with no natty. No passion dread, nothing come and talk about Selassie. Me love me girl, them caramel, a little coffee. Freaky when she ready, but she know when she feel classy.
DJ Shabla, DJ Shabla.
Me a talk about small waist. Big body, what she says she love. Dumpling and the saltfish mixed with ackee.
Talking about the jerk chicken with the teriyaki.
I'm an up the peanut. Then up with the machine, make me ride it like a cycle. Mix with a daddy. You know what's gonna happen when the mommy mix with poppy.
9 months later, baby, wrap up in a napkin.
You know money can make a filthy rich mix with the happy. Me just tell you about the double bag. Mix with the yatta chip, you know. Hey man, a gangster, mix with the gassy. Champion, Maham, mix it rockin'. Real top, no trouble in a jalopy. Me pull up in a Rolls Royce, mix with a Bugatti, hear me. Sting International, you mix them never shabby. Assassin mix with Jason, mix with the Shaggy. Me talking about this slide.
This one is a special dedication to the boy that lives on the lane. Rasta, him just a call up me name, you know.
For real,
chat it.
You tell pan, everybody. You see them day nice.
Certain boy pan the corner informer. Certain boy pan the corner informer. Cause him a fight against me, I'm a lover. Cause him a fight against me, I'm a lover.
Me woulda
move close, but no
move closer.
Say him in a clocks, me in a roach killer. Certain boy no love that, and go tell me father. It's not a dreadlocks, nor is not a policeman. It's not a soldier man, nor is not a Babylon. It was a
messing me down with the war thing. Just me and PYT. PYT, let me tell you.
Oh Lord, got a hold on to me.
Some boy have some girl afraid to tell a girl me love them. Yeah. Imagine that. Let me tell you, Mike. Let me tell you.
Oh Lord, got a hold on to me. Your sweet love, got a hold on to me. Listen. Girl, you got me here tonight, and the feeling is right. I do hold me tight. Let's make.
After me tell her how me feel.
Bang, 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 bang.
You know when we roll up in the club, they nice. One thing.
One big bottle, girl, me a wine from bacca. 2 bag of weed, some papers and grab and make we get high. Go and build your spliff bonnet and push it into the sky. We get high. We get high, we get high, yeah, yeah. Ooh, so come follow me, cause I make the girl them a pray. The boy you talk but that no worry with. Make them know so we no stall out. And the shot of them they all bout. Guinness a plate of me under my senses. And you know me for the plenty. Me on the plenty.
Every time you take one step, something pulls you back.
DJ Sham.
Every time you take one step, something pulls you back. But you get back up each time you fall. Wicked people and bad mind lurking in the dark. But I have no fear, I walk with Jah. Turn the world off and turn the music on. Just light up another one. Relax and just close your eyes. Natural mystic is in the air. Bob man is saying I'm no fear. Everything is gonna be alright. Some days are up and some you're down. Week today, tomorrow's gone. Some you lose and some you're gonna win. Hey, that's the life, the life, the life, the life we live. The life, the life we live.
Bang.
I know I said I wasn't going to do a little unsung artist, but I had to squeeze a little 1-2 in. Goes by the Mashy word. Let me see if we can turn up the studio real quick.
Out of his mercy.
All the Boston, shout out about Mashy word. Compressor. Yes, them, brother.
Word again. All right. Stepping out the place, I'm a well.
What do you mean, running?
Militant like me born in a ants nest. Nothing not much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access.
Hold on, brother. What up, brother? Hold on now. Hold on there, brother.
Good night, people.
Hold on there, brother. Hold on. Talk to the people right now, dog. Talk to the people right.
All right. Good night, people. Wherever you're in the world, it's your boy DJ Rock of Rocks. Is it? Everyone know. So my boy, let me shot black. And my boy, be nice. It's a drinking thing we're doing now. Something like drink chocolate. You know, we pull up, we got a special bottle. We let everybody know, like, you know what I mean? So everyone know. I got one from the Virgin Islands, my boy. This one called Ark Vodka. This. Yo, this thing distilled 3 times. A man from VI make this. But here one now. The thing make with lemongrass.
Hold on, I never hear about a thing called lemongrass, brother.
No, you know man. Okay, lemongrass. Right. Sorry, back home now we got a thing called lemongrass. It's something like a tea bush.
When you say back home, where
in the Virgin Islands. Right. You see it? All right, people. Back home in the Virgin Islands, we have lemongrass. What else we use? We have some, I forget the name of these things, but trust me, boy, lemongrass is a bush the man use. That you got cold, you know what I mean? Any type of sickness, my boy, flu, lemongrass, shot around, my boy. So here what? The man put everything in one, my boy. The lemongrass and the liquor. That.
So I mean.
Woo. Take a shot of that.
Yo, brother, hold on.
Yo, get your cup. Get your cup, brother. Get your cup. Ark Vodka coming up at the Virgin Islands, brother. Watch out. And even signed by the man. And him's a DJ too.
All right.
And him's a DJ.
People. I got about 10 more minutes because Rock Solid brings some gas in at this.
Yo.
So, we have to take time. And make sure I'm all right. Yeah, Breeze? Okay, Sinatra gone. Sinatra said him no want no gas. Yeah, Sinatra said no gas. So, yeah, we're going.
Slow him down.
Yeah, that one. So, we're gonna punch play. Sinatra, turn on that for me a little bit, please. We're gonna punch play on this one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, right there, Sinatra. Yeah, or a little bit lower. We're gonna punch play on that one there. And we're going to get into some of the exclusive something there. 16 in the building, M1.
You heard him.
Messiah movement, it's all good. Roll call, what we having at the studio tonight? Royal Rebels in the motherfucking building. Yeah, man, I might something there right there. Sinatra, turn on that. Sinatra, turn it down.
You heard him song, Wicked Press. I mean, the rhythm songs.
Sinatra, that one there, buck.
That's all right. Lord of His mercy.
Yeah, my dog.
Not a mercy.
Yeah, brother, yeah.
Word again. All right. Stepping out the place, I'm a well fresh. Militant like me born in a ants nest. Nothing not much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access.
Shout to Mashy Word.
You heard him song Wicked Press. I mean, you heard him song Sweet. Turn it up, yes, all right. Lord of His mercy. Not a mercy. Word again. All right. Stepping out the place, I'm a well fresh.
Yo, my dog, that shit a bit, yo, dog, you know what, no more.
Much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access. Me ready.
I want something never take me no more.
Jamaican road boy, me accent. If it ain't about the money, it no make sense.
Why you know that, dog?
If it feature the expense.
Yo, dog. That's ethanol for real, dog. The man really put gas in our gas. How them do it, I don't know. Out to the Virgin Island, no one there allowed. What is this, Stunter? Stunter, come here, brother. Yo, Stunter. Yo.
Word again. All right. Stepping out the place, I'm a well fresh. Militant like me born.
Yo, Tef, they got some gas in here, man.
Not much, but check the concept. Tour guide with a one-time access. Me ready for bust like a abscess. Jamaican road boy, check me accent. If it ain't about the money, it no make sense. Car family have to feature the expense. Oxygen deprivation. Them get claustrophobic over station. Food go there for a week and say too long. Boy, you dash with the weed and it legal. Remember, we are the realest in a real life. And no Muslim alone have 3 wives. What the difference when the bees bitch and the bees bite? Plus, me neck allergic to fake ice. Where them a do, where them a say, it no look good. Where them a do, where them a try, it no sound right. Any boy no want a girl, poor choice. Cause you tough born, more life. Where them a do, where them a try, it no look good. Where them a do, where them a say, it no sound right. Any boy no want a girl, poor choice. Cause you tough born, more life. Me no smoke weed when me never roll. Me no hype over things when me never own. Me prefer stay broke down, sell me soul. Just say all the faith and you will walk the street of gold. So me continue me play the role. The brute them refuse, end up be the cornerstone. When you a speak, watch your tone. Dog, now me bone, me not talk about chromosome. Yeah, oxygen deprivation. Them get claustrophobic over station.
Yo,
Food go there
come
for
here,
a
brother,
week
come
and
here,
say
brother.
too long.
Boy, you dash with the weed and it legal.
I mean, say stretch it out.
Before
Before you let it out. Oh, it's a waste man, now do you right, you can't get it out. So
Vibes 01 M16.
warm up, stretch a little, warm up, work out, warm up, exercise, make sure you warm up, warm up.
Shout out to the boy Truth City.
Warm up, stretch a little, warm up, work out, warm up, exercise, make sure you warm up.
The whole way good for the gal them.
Cramp in a belly,
that gal ball up.
Not a fraction, me say all up. Tight little muscle make a fool part up. So you know 60 them have to move cautious. From you no sweat, then it's not a workout. Different.
What you mean? What you mean? Yeah, brother, you talk about me have the instrumental. You send me the instrumental, yeah, brother.
Stretch it out.
I play what I got, Stunter. What you talk about?
It out.
That tune you bad.
Oh, it's a waste man.
Oh, this one is on the M116.
Get it out.
That's this guy right here.
So
the whole way go. Let's go. The warm up. Watch and let go. Warm up.
Work out. Warm up.
Exercise.
Let's make sure you warm up. Warm up. Warm up. Warm up. Warm up. Warm up. Stretch a little.
Some boy we call them waste man.
Work out.
Them girls say them pop down. I don't know about them, but she tell you about me. What me say no?
Cramp in a belly make that gal ball. Not a fraction, me say all up.
Come on.
Tight little muscle make a fool caught up. So you know 60 them have to move cautious. From you no sweat, then it's not a workout. Different line, we no robot. Before she said,
it's in that aloe shit. Gave me some VA shit, man.
When me say, warm up, stretch a little.
Got me sweating.
Warm up. Work out.
Rock solid, walk on with that gas, brother.
Exercise, make sure.
Showing that tainted.
Warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up. Warm up. Stretch a little.
I don't know.
Warm up. Work out. Warm warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up, warm up, warm up. Something good, not a place you can go. Deep inna the bush, somewhere inna the Congo. She a work it out and she no speak me longer. Put on me in before she grab up me angle. Turn up straight and touch your angle. Stretch it out, then up in a angle. Yeah, just show them where the fuck you can do. Show them something alone, make your way down. Stretch a little, warm up, work out, warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up.
Bang, 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 bang.
Stretch it out before you let it out. Oh, it's a waste man, not the
I got the instrument, you dog. Forward in it, with up on YouTube. Forward in at 16. Without the instrument, we can vibe same way, the dog. Forward.
Wow.
Forward. I got you, bro. Don't.
I mean, says, it's a real thing. I mean, says, stretch it out before you let it out. Oh, it's a waste man, not do you right. You can't get it out. Warm to them. So where you want? Warm up. Stretch a little. Warm up. Work out. Warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up. Warm up. Stretch a little. Warm up. Work out. Warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up. Cramp in a belly, make that gal ball up. Not a fraction, me say all up. Tight little muscle make a full part up. So you know 16 them have to move cautious. From you no sweat, then it's not a workout. Different line, we no robot. Before she send an in and a me. Stretch a little. Warm up. Work out. Warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up. Stretch a little. Warm up. Work out. Warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up. Something good, not a place you can go. Deep inna the bush, somewhere inna the Congo. She a work it out and she no speak me longer. Put on me in before she grab up me angle. Turn up straight and touch your angle. Stretch it out, bend up in a angle. Y'all just show them where the fuck you can do. Show them something alone, make you well thankful. Stretch a little, warm up, work out, warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up. Stretch a little, warm up. Work out. Know that stretch. Bizzle, big up yourself, Papa. Make say a word, sound remedy, be nice. Madness, people.
Bono. And this is the vibes. We got the next artist in the building. We're gonna see if we can get this artist live on YouTube right now. I'm gonna work it out.
Warm up, stretch a little. Warm up, work out. Warm up, exercise. Make sure you warm up. Warm up, stretch a little. Warm up.
Snatch the man them poison me tonight. I want it tainted, brother.
Exercise, make sure you warm up.
Make sure you call me out of morning, brother.
Cramp in a belly, make that gal.
Boy!
Not a fraction, me say all up. Tight little muscle make a full part up. So you know 60 them have to move cautious. From you no sweat, then it's not a workout. Different line, we no robot. Before she send an in and she give you the truth. Serious business, I want me say. No, stretch a little. Warm up, work out, warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up. Stretch a little, warm up, work out, warm up. Exercise, make sure you warm up.
see, this what happens when you become a prodigy with rap. Niggas claim their guns gonna start clapping. Yeah, all they do is chat.
Yeah, we got this artist in the motherfucking building.
Yeah, got my move.
Let me see if I can get a little live performance.
Niggas got me smoking a black and shit. Yeah, it's die. Yeah, smoke, it's die. Yeah, it's die. Blood, I still got bars, nigga.
Business.
Yeah, die. I only got my moves, it's die.
I forgot what I was drinking. We got the boy Biz in the motherfucking building. We're gonna see if we can get 1, 2, 3, 4. Half a bar, 16 bars. I don't know. We're gonna try something. Business in the building. Let's go.
Yeah. I only got my moves. It's die. Niggas got me smoking a black die. Shit. Yeah, it's die. Now you see, this what happens when you become a prodigy with rapping. Niggas claim they guns gonna start clapping. Yeah, all they do is chat. But if one of them get the balls, I'ma put them to sleep. Tylenol, no PM. I'm hitting up they BM just so I can get inside her box without a DM. Fuck your feelings. Shooting at your chest, nigga, like I'm Darren Williams. And in this rap race, oh yeah, I crept up. I'm moving CDs, so Chase, they need to catch up. Word around town, my nigga, is that he's up next. Got chicks exposing their chests without a V-neck. Try to stop my run with a fatal killing. I swear, there be dots in your head just like Krillin, nigga. 2-5. I wish you had my bitch like Aladdin in your fire. Fresh nigga. In your head. Where my dear die? Yeah. Girl, Coney Island, what's up? Yeah. You ready, nigga? Yeah. Biz. Oh, you twerking like your ass gang banging. Time to pounce on that ass like you false claiming. She got twists like Oliver, and she's some skin. I should make a coat out of her. See my team, we ballin' hard. You and your girls, y'all could be the little cheering squad. Cause we see you with the mini skirts on, and indeed we in love with the pom-poms. So, baby girl, here's some hope. If you ride the bench, I will make you the head coach. I got a pocket full of elastic, so let's work this shit out, girl, like gymnastics. She called me baby, like me she conceived. So open up your shirt, cause it's time to breastfeed. Now baby girl, I can't lie. You play with the joystick, you might get a cash prize. Everybody got a price, girl, name it. I guarantee that tonight you'll be famous. Have no shame in your game, cause I guarantee your friends will do the same. So, do something strange for a piece of change. 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 You think she killing it now? My nigga, that's nothing. Watch her slow whine like you hit the step button. She killing me, dog. I need CPR. Matter of fact, record a show like a DVR. Cause, man, I love the way she whine. Gotta hit it from behind and straight bust it like a 9. Then we sip some wine, coming her and Duncan Hines. Like Uncle Elroy, baby girl, it's Mr. Nasty Time. And when it comes to the okey pokey, you should know this, ma'am. No smoky. As for your man, oh, he can win, hopefully. But once I stroke your funny bone, it's no jokey. See, I'm a pimp. Oh, you don't see the trophies? I can screw you young niggas, no Shane Mosley. As for bowling, man, you don't come closely. So, I might as well let your girl hold me. Everybody got a price, girl, name it. I guarantee that tonight you'll be famous. Have no shame in your game, cause I guarantee your friends will do the same. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change. So, do something strange for a piece of change.
Yeah, hear me. One bad man.
I was definitely happy to meet this guy right here tonight, man. Earlier today, man, I was surprised. He came through TriplevibesRadio studio, rock solid.
One bad man.
This song right here, D-Nice.
Yeah, hear me.
D-Nice, we had him in the studio today, D-Nice.
Yeah, hear me. One bad man. With bad man ain't no running. Bad man no wear tight pants.
Pull up.
With bad man. With bad man ain't no running. With bad man. With bad man ain't no running. Yeah, hear me.
Murder.
One bad man.
Rock solid. You see tonight? Rock solid.
With
we might have a running out here.
Bad man no wear tight
pants with him gunning.
Also a boy them disrespect me done him. Pure bad gal there around me and the blonde. Cause when you fuck with bad man
try this way I'm gonna mix it up the situation.
Shout out to the boy Gravity, where you there, brother?
If the pussy cat them free.
Forward up, brother, forward up.
When we reach it, now flip
forward up.
Picnic, her creep round and bone him. Hot dance on him moving them.
Weird vibes round here, dog.
Not the one we're playing, cowboy and we gunning. Taser not a taser when we shot them, stop fist on him.
With bad man ain't no running. Bad man no wear tight pants with him gunning. Post so up why them disrespect me done him. Pure bad gal there around me and they blunted. Cause when you fuck with them bad man can't diss me. We there in a Versace and the gal them want kiss me. Pull off in the Rari cause we parking up the Bentley. Pussy them a pre me cause me shoot them Giuseppe.
If me not mash up in here, something wrong.
Never running.
All of them and never know so you can defend yourself. 2-1 out of the blood clot here.
Uno better show Uno
Bang, 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 bang.
You say we take with time, D-Nice.
If Uno ready to go eat a bang me.
What do we say, gangsta? Step in at the bank and him no afraid. What do we say,
gangsta? Brandish the John and
we not pull up.
Catch them police pump parade. Gangsta, right park up in the shade.
What do we say, gangsta?
Escape done already made. Gangsta, can't get catching on no raid.
Swear to God, no boy can look pun shot block and say I'm a fool. You're mad, let me tell you.
Well, I've been through hills and valleys. I survived out of the old gangsta. No gunshot, no way me skip and down.
From back in the day, rock solid. Never know what real art living. When I may say, bogus badge, how you?
Honestly, I want to take with far. Them think we's close pan and it out close pin. Always dry leaf for lip. Down is the system. Alright? Well, I've been through hills and valleys. I survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, no way me skip and dolly. When them keep me dead back in the jungle in me rally, me want them up, pop it off. Bogus badge when me rip off. Oh, you get your flat stripe.
When me pop it off for all type of reason. Pussy will don't get vexed. Let me tell you.
Just when I thought time has set me free, those thoughts of you keep.
When you say rock solid, you're a shooter from long time. When we say back at the bush, some boy not know you have an original pea shooter. What a rock.
I see them lying.
That's that fucking aloe.
Standing at the gate. But yeah, I want my other man sing.
That's a lemongrass. Excuse me. That's a lemongrass.
I see them lying, they wait. Standing at the gate.
Yo, Gravity, what ground? I can get one mix. Can I get one mix and can you do a bad talk per my mix? Is that possible?
I see them lying.
We're not juggling with a whole vibe yet. So I'm gonna make some song. One rock solid sort out that one. And Gravity gonna take you guys into Rock Solid Thursdays, okay?
I see them lying there wait. Standing at the gate. But yeah, I want my and I sing. You sing. What going on? What going on? What going on? Murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, you're inside, must say hello. How does it feel to take the life of a murder?
Never talk about them, no heart. How the murder people without second thought. Hey, you want to talk about you now, no heart. And you murder people all without the cause. You is a front, you will a part. You can't say you that you are you wet drunk bend, and your little blood run like a cherry malt. Flip up and dead and that is no man's fault. No remember yesterday when you come a exalt. Big things fuck up now, somebody like lost. Better you play dumb cause every man no love talk. For more run violence, the man them be bought. Stop act illiterate, foolish and dark. Boy, you know have no heart.
Alright, sugar darling, kitchens. Should I even listen? Should I even try? We'll just be hearing the same old lies. Oh yeah, say it doesn't matter what you do to yourself. Cause our relationship is a building on one love. You say things are the way they seem, but still you won't come sleep with me. How do you say that you're in love when you don't know the meaning of love? Should never wrote you home, last night. You should have been with me, baby. Should have been right by me. First time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips were pale, and I said hi. I knew not there you were. Bang, 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 bang. DJ Shablock.
Them knows the Zoka, I say I want to them DJ Shablock, I want to them.
The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips were pale, and I said hi. I knew not there you were.
Girl, you stand there. Only run thing, good all I do. Yeah, yeah, watch a girl. Girl, if you scratches, never feel.
Bang, 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 bang.
Son, when you see all of the girls them with the good crutches, and them crutches never feel them yet. I want to whine and go down on a girl, cause you stand there. Only run thing, good all I do. Yeah, yeah, watch a girl.
What if your crutches
never feel?
Dina is from long time when we tell him, pat it, but while you pat your vagina, my girl, when you pat it, I don't want no crosses, that the crosses drop out, my girl. Take your time and pat it. Fun it if you have to. They gotta know so you're something good. When you come on, the man just goes,
When you see all of them with crutches, and them crutches never feel them yet.
Energy.
Go down a girl, cause you stand there. Only run thing, good all I do. Yeah, yeah,
give me good old girl, I want ya.
Girl, if your crutches never feel you yet. You don't want you know.
How are you pat your vagina? Every man. Them know say man I tell you you're something good, my girl, in a real life.
Girl, if your crutches never feel you
yet. Them know say you breed for a man already. Enough girls say them something good and not breed for a man.
Every man I
tell them know say you breed for a man already. Hey,
you graduate. No from good old college, you better thank God for your sexy knowledge, you graduate. No from bubbling college, you better thank God for your sexy knowledge, so girl, hold up your one, you have 10 ton of rope. Wind up your wrist and some fun, give me boom. Now you all the man, never rush. It's a wine and rush, go! That's right.
I was going
That's right, you don't know. Pick up the man, shot black. Be nice.
They're the ones that haunt me. If I could forget all about the past.
Man, I send the vibes right for DJ Rock. Come on, for Rocks on the Thursdays.
The saddest thing in my life is when she left me with a broken baby. I was feeling, yeah.
Go!
I stopped selling flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. Yeah. I stopped dropping by without an appointment. Cause I heard laughter coming through your door.
Hold on there. Last show. This one and one more that we done.
Baby.
Pick up the man I'm gonna say now play number 2 and I realize. Let me tell you, my girl. Come on.
I stopped selling flowers to your
It's all about Rock Solid Thursdays up next. DJ Gravity, Rock Solid in the building.
You weren't around much
So the whole VA man in the building. Well, we're telling that gas here bringing out the studio rock. That one here, Poison. It's called Poison. Shout out to Belle Biv DeVoe. That's Poison. It's Poison. Hold on. What is it?
Sometimes late at night you'll still call me.
What you say?
Before you close your eyes to sleep.
Then what? I made a vow that
I would drop by sometimes. But that's a promise I can't keep.
All you know that song, they sing it out loud.
I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. No, I love you too much to ever
For real.
like
Me a big man, so me can't talk the truth. Rock Solid, remember the first time you got that piece on?
I would have given you all.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Right there, so we're not going no further. Big up the God of know, say you remember the first time. You overs. It's all good each and every Thursday, 8 to 10, man. I go by the name of DJ Shah Black, alongside my brother in crime. DJ D, nice, you know what it is, baby. So up next, it's all about the Rock Solid Thursdays, so beer madness and all this. Rock, hold on, give me 2 seconds to do that. Talk to the people that me sort out that something there. Hold on, talk to the people that me sort out that something and make sure everything all right and proper. You overs. When I say under, we not go under no man. You overs. Okay.
Up there. That's it. Yes, I people, man. It's a boy DJ Rock. Good morning, good evening. We there in the wall. You understand? Yeah, man. Don't forget, it's all about August 2nd. Archer We Walk event. We there in Brooklyn. You know what I mean? Up in the Dumbo. You check? Yeah, address is 81st Prospect Street. Make sure you get them tickets. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a free event. But you just can't walk over the people in place like that. It's like, nah, they open, my girl. They open. Watch. They open. I know how much money you open my item. They open. Yeah. Like I say, it's a vodka though. Straight out of Virgin Islands, yeah. This thing make with lemongrass, you know what I mean? Yeah, this thing different. It's some. The man saying that they still what, like 2 more time, 3 times? Huh? Talk to the people. Come on. Come on. Give them one full info for that one there for me.
You don't know what's going on. It's your boy DJ Gravity. Stop playing. It's a Rock Solid Thursdays right here on Triple Vibes Radio. And we on tell our man, keep it locking with the one and only art vodka straight from the Virgin Islands. Let me tell our man, stop playing. This thing for real. Triple distilled by hand. You know what I mean? This thing don't play around. Support the thing. Only in the Virgin Islands you will get this thing. Only in the Virgin Islands. You know what I mean? Art vodka. Big up the thing. We in here, I get the whole. Clinton and Washington nice right now. Triple Vibes nice right now. Vodka, big up yourself. Let me go. DJ Rock, DJ Gravity.
Yo, every time I drink that shit, I'm like, why the fuck I'm drinking this shit?
The thing get the place turn up. Triple Vibes on another level right now. With the vodka, stop playing. We getting the thing mashed right now. Don't forget, coming on in just a few seconds. DJ Rock, DJ Gravity, Triple Vibes Radio, Rock Solid Thursdays. Stop playing.
Yeah, up. different. And your boy DJ Rocks Entertainment. Don't forget, like I say, it's all about August 2nd, man. Archer We Walk event going on right there in Brooklyn, New York, at 81 Prospect Street. You know what I mean? Yeah. Think it'll be nice. Music by yours truly, DJ Rock, DJ Gravity, you know what I mean? We have some special guests, special artists. This thing gonna be nice. That's it. Yeah. When we come figure out the lineup, we're gonna see what's going on. You know what I mean? Yeah. But for right now, everything looking nice.
Yeah. What's the date? What's the date on that again, Rock?
August 2nd, my boy.
Where's that at again?
We're in Brooklyn, 81st Prospect Street.
Hold on. Take your time. Take your time and say the address again. What date is it? What's the date?
The date is August 2nd.
August 2nd.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where we gonna be?
We're gonna be in Brooklyn.
What part of Brooklyn?
Dumbo, man, boy.
What part of Dumbo?
81 Prospect Street.
81 Prospect Street. What's going on at 81 Prospect Street, August 2nd in Dumbo?
After we work event, my boy. That's it. Yeah, your boy DJ Rock. I'll be playing some music for the people. I mean, nice up. The thing will be nice. Me and my boy DJ Gravity, you check? Yeah, the thing will be up there. There's some artists and things will come.
So you say a whole heap of vibes, a whole heap of
yeah,
energy?
my boy. We sponsored by Water Oak Vodka, my boy. A lot of free liquor. Come drink up with your boy. That's it. I understand.
Hold on. I got a question. I got a question, though. That Water Oak Vodka, is that shit anywhere like that aloe shit? You just brought it here.
No one say aloe. No, doggy. Yo, lemongrass, dog.
Dog, someone said aloe. Someone talk about lemongrass. Someone talk about fire. Someone talk about gas. Whole heap of man confuse me, brother.
Yo, lemongrass. Lemongrass.
I'm just going to say whatever is in that bottle. Yo, Vas. Can we not say under?
That thing called gas.
Okay. So my question to you. So hold on, my question to you is, on August 2nd, we gonna have update juice?
Hey boy, fire juice.
I don't want no update juice. The only person is allowed to be up there is Rock Solid, and I don't want to be up there, brother.
Up there. Always up there. That's it.
Yeah, so
every day, all day, up there. You know what I mean?
Okay, so okay. Whew. Only thing I go on right now.
August 2nd, we gonna be there. You know what I mean? August 2nd, we then Dumbo. Don't forget, it's a free event. But here what? You just can't walk up in the people them building like that. You gotta go get your tickets, you know what I mean? Yeah. Thing different. What's going on, Miss West? You should be sleeping.
Hold on.
What's going on?
Woolly patting, me say woolly patting.
I'm a Jersey friend. My friend from way back when, school days.
Jesus Christ. I want to go on with that something that I said that bottom me dog.
Yeah, man.
All right, Rock, you know what I'm going, brother? You have to press gas pen, and we have to start it out a little. Yo, Vance.
What you say now? Different tonight, though. But we're going to bless up the place. You understand? Yeah.
We had a dream and now we winning big.
What we said, Diddy?
Rock solid, can you hear me now?
What?
We had the struggles, they can't keep us down.
Nope.
Listen closely, I'ma say it again.
What you say, darling?
It's Rock Solid Entertainment.
Yes,
That's right. You're listening to TriplevibesRadio.com. Rock Solid Thursdays. Each and every Thursday from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. with the U.S. Virgin Islands' very own DJ Rock, DJ Gravity.
Awo. Yes, I people, it's your boy DJ Rock. Rock's Entertainment, you know what I mean? Don't forget, it's all about August 2nd. Archer We Walk event, you know what I mean? Yeah, the thing will be nice. Is it? Yeah. So hey, what? Let me tell you about this nice little place where I grew up in, man. Who is it up?
Oh, yeah. Virgin Islands nice.
You understand? So what we tell them, no pressure?
I'm so proud to be from the VI.